Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchikar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find a lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under haul section I have videos for makeup, skincare, accessories, bags, footwear, you name it, and mostly I have it on my channel. And under review section I have reviews for makeup, skincare, hair care, even accessories also, and each and every video is listed under different playlist. So if you want to have some comparison video, you can directly go to the comparison playlist and you can have all the videos under that particular playlist. And I do have one separate playlist for new launches as well. That is, whatever products are new launched, I have review on that also. So if this is what you're looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now today also I'm going to review a new launch product that is basically from Asfa Halal, and this is like Asfa Halal. This is the outer covering, you all can see. It comes in pista green kind of packaging. Okay, it says Asfa Halal long stay liquid eyeliner. I got this product exclusive. Y'all must be aware Asfa Halal is exclusively available on purplle.com, and like Purplle do run lot of sales and also during that time you can definitely check out this particular eyeliner. Now I got this product specially because I was intrigued since this is halal certified brand. Y'all must be aware, I'll just read the specifications and everything, but y'all must be aware what is halal certified. That is, they do not use any kind of like material which is not halal approved. Alright, now it is like long stay liquid eyeliner. This is basically the MRP for this is 249 rupees, but as I told you during sale time, this is December 20 manufactured. That is just recently, because this is a new launch product. December 20 manufactured. It will be like you can use this product till May 23. That is for 3 years is the shelf life. You all can see over here, each and every detail is given over here. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll pop up a picture over here. Why a picture? Now I just wanted to clear one thing over here on the packaging. If you can read, I'm not sure, but again as I told you, I'll pop up a picture over here. They say 42% extra, that is 3 ml is the original quantity plus 1.3 ml you will be getting free. So basically this is something I was a little bit like confused with, because like I'll tell you why. Here all the ingredients and everything given, that is also the key features, that is smudge proof, intense color payoff, water resistant and vegan. As I told you, vegan. Now when you check this swatch over here, can you just check the swatch? Okay, now this swatch is of around say morning at around 10:30. When I received the parcel at that time, I just swatched it. You won't believe, after swatching this, I just kept it for 2-3 minutes just to check whether it is matte or no. You all can see it is matte. We will check that also. And after swatching this, I washed clothes, I did my cleaning work, I did clean vessels also, I did everything, but still the liner is there, right? So that is one thing I would like to tell you. What we will do is, first we will just swatch a little bit on the hand. After that, if we want to, I'll just swatch it for you. This is single swipe. Okay, y'all can see single swipe. Now I'll show you the packaging and then I'll come to the point why I was disappointed. This is the packaging. It is a black color with the silver color cap, not exactly cap, a pointed cap. Now after watching this, you all must be remembering the SQ, the Stay Quirky liner. See, it looks somewhat similar, but the bottom is different. This is triangular shape, so you can say this looks like Maybelline Colossal, right? You all can see side by side. We will compare the brushes also little later. Now why I was little bit disappointed, like over here they say 3 ml plus 1.3 ml extra, that is 4.3 ml. And when I check the cap, that is the bottom of this, not cap, sorry, bottom. I'll pop up a picture over here. In the bottom over here, they have given you each and every detail. So if you want to throw this away, definitely you can throw this away. Over here, they have given you the expiry as well as the quantity is mentioned. The quantity mentioned is 3 ml, but over here they say 4.3 ml. So I was pretty confused, like which one is the right? Is this the right or is this the right? So I called up, I just called up and I sorted it out. It is the printing mistake. Here whatever they have given you is a printing mistake from the company. So if you also receive the same, do not worry, you are going to get 3 ml, and this is confirmed by me with the Purple's people. Okay, I called up Purple's people and it is confirmed, so you are going to get 3 ml. So 249 rupees for 3 ml. Now we have already swatched it. What we will do is I'll just open all the liners. See, this is Aswa Halal liner. Bottom, as I told you, they have given you, as far as my knowledge is there, and if I am not wrong, they have right now launched only one shade, that is the black, and this is a matte eyeliner. Yes, this is a matte eyeliner. Okay, one side, as I told you, it is Aswa Halal, this given. When you flip it off, over here they have given you the other details. The other details is manufactured and like all that detail. When you again flip, they have given you 4 basic features, that is smudge proof, as I told you, intense color payoff, water resistant and vegan, as well as the ingredients are also given. And on the 4th side they have given you the basic other detail. On the top of it, it is written matte black with the silver label. It is not label, it is actually printed on it, but no, it is label, but it is printed. Okay, on the silver label it is printed matte black. So this is the matte black eyeliner. Now you all can see it is already dried up. Okay, now what I'll do is, I have shown you the cap of this. What I'll do is I'll open, I have Lakme Insta Liner, I have Maybelline Colossal, as well as I have Stay Quirky. So what I'll do is I'll just open all the liners cap, and then we will just check. The first one is Lakme Insta Liner. Right, is it visible? Right, this is Lakme Insta Liner brush, quite sturdy brush. This one is Maybelline the Colossal one. Okay, so you can say Maybelline brush and the Aswa Halal brush looks pretty similar. We'll just swatch and we will just check. The next one, the other one is the Maybelline one. Okay, this one is Aswa Halal one. So this is Maybelline one. Even this retails for 249 rupees, if I'm not wrong. I'll just check. Yeah, 249 rupees and for 3 ml only. So, but Maybelline is not cruelty free as far as my knowledge is there. This is Stay Quirky, but this is blue, and this is our original Aswa Halal. Y'all can see the tip of it is very smooth, like when you work it up. So when you just draw the liner, and if you are also like me who sucks with the liner, then definitely, and right now the eyeliner which I have applied is this one only, Aswa Halal. I'll just try to come close by. Right, now this is the Aswa Halal liner only. So I just wanted to actually show you all these things. Now we will check the 3 claims what they have told you. Before that, I'll just take out my mobile. This is my mobile. I'll just read what I want to, what the brand has to say, because when I don't read, sometimes it creates chaos. Okay, specifications: specialty, halal certified, vegan, finish, matte finish, benefits: high color payoff, intense pigmentation, long lasting, precise application, smudge resistant, transfer resistant. Okay, transfer resistant, they do not say transfer proof, transfer resistant. Okay, product type liquid eyeliner. Aswa Halal is proud to bring high performance product with halal ingredients into the world that bridges the gap between beauty and faith. The term halal simply means products that have been manufactured, produced and composed of ingredients that is permissible under Islamic Sharia law. I'm sorry if I pronounced wrong, but that is what I can pronounce. Okay, I do not mean to hurt anyone. Okay, other ingredients and everything, they are haram, means they like consumption which is forbidden. That is what they have given over here. I will not read all that because other things you can read. So this is what basically this Aswa Halal liquid eyeliner claims to be. Now this is, we will not check with this because this is Maybelline one. We are not going to do anything right now with the Maybelline one. We are just going to work with this Aswa Halal one. So what I'll do is, this is my clean finger. I'll just try to, you can see, I cannot see. Okay, it is getting smudged, you can see, because I had applied a thick layer. We are not going to apply a thick layer, we will just remove extra and then we will apply. Okay, now this is my spray bottle. What I'll do is, I'll just spray some water. Okay, I have just sprayed some water. We will just try whether it is smudging or no. See, it is getting light. I do not deny that. It is getting little bit light, but it is not getting totally like I have not, like, it doesn't come totally off. Okay, it is there. See. So definitely we are not going to smudge our eyes so vigorously and something. Okay, what was the first is smudge proof, that we have checked. Second one is intense color payoff. Yes, I do agree. Water resistant up to a certain extent, 80 to 90%. Yes, it is. And vegan, of course, that we cannot challenge any brand because they have specified all the ingredients and everything. So basically, I have covered each and every point and I have applied that also. Trust me, while applying, I was feeling so like a person like me who can apply, like who is very in applying eyeliner, can apply this eyeliner very well, then definitely even you can try this eyeliner and you can also apply. It's very safe to apply. Alright, and now no dear, this is not at all sponsored video. I got this product by my own money and nothing is sponsored on my channel, and I do work on the natural light. So whatever swatches and everything you see, it is under natural light. I do not use any kind of artificial light. Okay, because that is what I believe. When you go out, you are not going to use any kind of ring lights or anything. You are going to be in the natural light. Yeah, I'm not going to blabber anything, otherwise lot of people will say I'm ranting. So basically covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely do leave your precious comment in the comment section. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content, then give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. And if you do not want to comment in the comment section, definitely you can follow me on Instagram. The link of the same will also be given over there, given in the description box. You can check that also, and you can DM me over there also if you want to ask about any other particular thing. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.